Come on, man. All right, watch me. It's simple. It's just one at a time.
At a time.
At a time.
Oh.
So we got one right here. Support. Heel. Notice. But you're not gonna keep it like this. It's just to get your brain push the heel. Okay? One hand, chest up, drop it down. Up. This does not take the weight, the pressure away. This is support. Just in case you fall. So I'm tapping right here. I'm not adding any load to this. The load goes to this. Okay? This is just support just in case. Okay? That's so easy.
For you to say.
Nice and easy right now. Heels down. The weight stays in this hand.
Wait.
So you need to change your leg.
Yeah.
Leg forward some more. Huh?
How many?
6. Remember, this is just support, okay? Sit back that way. Sit back. No. Don't. Do not move when I tell you to adjust something. Put your leg back. All you're doing is, all I want you to do is, instead of going this, I want you to go this.
Oh, back?
Yes, back. That's what I said.
I'm not confused.
This is too much forward. I want you to go that way. This way? No. That way? Yes. Slide back. Slide. It's okay. Just push yourself back. Like the toilet seat is back here. There you go. Better.
Clumsy.
I know. You're a girl.
I mean, so are you.
Huh?
I mean, so are you.
I'm a girl?
No. No.
Try to keep this leg, try to put this part of your foot on here. And you don't need to do much, like literally keep it right there. And the motion is down and up. Don't drag on this feet, just go down and up. Nice. Set it down. There.
I mean, you've used the hurdles. You've used the hurdles. You can't deny it.
Get into the jump lunge right here. Turn this way. Jump lunges?
Oh, jump lunges?
Yeah.
You're
You're not gonna knock it over. You're gonna go forward. So start right there. Good.